In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. If you want a faster, more natural way to interact with Copilot, using your voice is a great option. Instead of typing out your questions, you can simply speak and have a more conversational experience. This can be especially helpful if you're multitasking, testing ideas out loud, or just prefer speaking over typing. To get started, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Copilot. Once the page loads, you should see the main Copilot interface with the chat area front and center. This is where you normally type your prompts, questions, or requests. Before moving on, give the page a moment to fully load so all of the controls are visible and ready to use. Now look closely at the main chat box. Inside that area, you'll find a voice waveform icon. This is the control that allows you to begin a voice conversation with Copilot. The icon may appear small, so it helps to focus on the input area where you would usually type a message. Click the voice waveform icon to start the voice chat feature. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to allow microphone access. If that happens, approve the permission so Copilot can hear your voice. Without microphone access, the voice feature won't be able to work properly. Once voice chat is activated, you can begin speaking your prompt clearly and at a natural pace. Try to speak in a quiet environment for the best results. And if your microphone is built into your laptop, make sure you're not too far away from it. Clear speech usually leads to better recognition and more accurate responses. If the feature doesn't seem to respond right away, double check that your microphone is connected and that your browser has permission to use it. In some cases, refreshing the page and clicking the voice icon again can help. It's also a good idea to make sure your device audio input is set to the correct microphone, especially if you use headphones or an external mic. And that's it. Once you click the voice waveform icon in the main chat box, you're ready to start talking with Microsoft Copilot in a more hands-free, conversational way. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you want to switch from typing to speaking inside Copilot.